Starting with questions, we have the text is divided in 3 paragraphs. And now we have questions. Reading comprehension questions, big A. Multiple choice question. The question is, copy the complete sentence containing the correct answer. Number 1, unemployment affects people. Possibility number 1, A, at the same time, B, similarly, C, different ways, D, in the cities. Number 2, the stressed people can, the situation, solve, A, do nothing about, number B, create, number C, and control, number D. So, if you try to see here, unemployment affects people, the best answer is number C, in different way. The best answer is number C, in different way. I repeat, unemployment affects people in different way. And number 2, the best answer is number B. The stressed people can do nothing about the situation. I repeat, the stressed people can do nothing about the situation. That is about the answer multiple choice question. And now we have a true or false question. Copy the true sentences and correct the false one. Many factors influence unemployment on an individual. 2, stress and depression cause unemployment. 3, unemployment can lead to physical and mental problems. 4, confident worker is recruited to fulfill the recruit's duty. So if you try to see here, you want to see true or false. The first is, many factors influence unemployment on an individual. That is true. The first sentence about true or false is true. Many factors influence unemployment on an individual. That is true. And here, number 2, stress and depression can be caused by unemployment. That is true. Stress and depression can cause unemployment. That is true. And number 3, unemployment can lead to physical and mental problems. Unemployment can lead to physical and mental problems. It's true also. And number 4, we see confident worker is recruited to fulfill the recruit's duty. The recruiter is confident worker to fulfill the recruit duty. It's true also. So if you try to see here, the 4 sentences are all true. You copy down, you don't change. And number C, answer the following question based on the text. The first is, why do stressed people suffer from unemployment? Why do stressed people suffer from unemployment? And number 2, what happened to workers experiencing prolonged unemployment periods? Let's correct them, or let's answer about the different questions. Stressed people suffer from unemployment because situations are out of their control, as they become unable to pay bills and keep up with current living standards. That is the answer about the first question. I repeat, stressed people suffer from unemployment because situations are out of their control as they become unable to pay bills and keep up with current living standards. And number 2, what happened to workers experiencing prolonged unemployment periods? Workers experiencing prolonged unemployment periods often suffer from low self-esteem. I repeat, workers experiencing prolonged unemployment periods often suffer from low self-esteem. That is about big C. Answer the following question based on the text. And now we pass about big 2, language. What I used to say, language is divided of some parts. Vocabulary, grammar, function, translate into English, translate into French. You start about big A. Copy down each word from the list of the left with one from the right so as to make pair of synonyms. Big A1 and big A2. Big A1, opportunities, burden, find, fulfill. Big A2, loud, satisfy, reach, occasion. The synonym of opportunity is occasion. The synonym of opportunity is occasion. The synonym of burden is loud. The synonym of burden is loud. The synonym is find is rich. The synonym of find is rich. The synonym of fulfill is satisfy. Fulfill synonym is satisfy. And number B, turn the following sentences into the passive voice. We have here, no one has stolen the motorbike. No one has stolen the motorbike. No one has stolen the motorbike. The motorbike has not been stolen. The passive voice is the motorbike has not or hasn't been stolen. Number 2, the children worship the cars. The children worship the cars. The passive voice is the cars were worshipped by the children. The cars were worshipped by the children. And number 3, she must iron the clothes. She must iron the clothes. The clothes must be ironed by her. The clothes must be ironed by her. And the last part, number 4. The boys informed the parents. The boys informed the parents. The passive voice is the parents informed by the boys. The parents were informed by the boys. And the last part is function. Number C. Mariam Jara is a young graduate from the Faculty of Science and Technique. She doesn't or she does not know which job to look for. So she went to see Professor Jurte for advice. Builds a dialogue between them. The answer is Mariam Jara is a young graduate from the Faculty of Science and Technique. She does not know which job to look for, so she went to see Professor Jurte for advice. Build a dialogue between them. Mariam, sir, I do not know what job to look for. Sir, I do not know what job to look for. What do you think I should do? The first possibility to ask advice about the situation is, what do you think I should do? That is the first possibility. And the second possibility, another possibility is, what do you advise me to do? What do you advise me to do? And another possibility is, what will you do if you were in my position or in my shoes? That is a manner to say in my position. What will you do if you were in my position or if you were in my shoes? That is a manner, just another manner to say in my position. That is here, free possibility to ask advice. And Mr. Durte want to answer. He want to give some advice. If I were you, first possibility, I will teach mathematics. If I were you, I will teach mathematics. Say another possibility. If you ask me, I will teach mathematics. Or I advise you to teach mathematics. Free possibility. And number D, translate into English. We have a paragraph here to translate into English, and this paragraph is in French. I read. Le chômage est un problème mondial difficile à éradiquer et qui a des conséquences lourdes pour beaucoup de personnes. Cependant, il y a peu de solutions à cause du manque de rapport entre la formation reçue et les besoins sur le marché de l'emploi. Donc, on demande cette partie à traduire en anglais. Donc, ici, on peut donner comme traduction: unemployment is a global problem difficult to eradicate, and that has serious consequences for a lot of people. However, there are few solutions due to the lack of link between the training received and the needs of the job market. And translates into French. We have another paragraph to translate into French. I read: workers experiencing prolonged unemployment period often suffer from low self-esteem. Many workers are not able to find jobs, discontinue looking after a certain period, and are considered discouraged workers. So, we need to translate into French. Into French. Les travailleurs qui connaissent des périodes de chômage prolongées souffrent parfois d'une mauvaise estime d'eux-mêmes. Beaucoup de travailleurs incapables de trouver un travail arrêtent d'en chercher après une certaine période et sont considérés comme les travailleurs découragés. Ça, c'est la traduction en français. And after that, we have the last part. The last part is about composition. And composition is divided in two parts. The first is essay writing, and the second can be letter writing, form filling writing, or postcard writing. Number one, essay writing. The first topic is unemployment is a serious issue in our country. What will you suggest to reduce the number of unemployed? Give your suggestion in a well-organized paragraph. Number two, Moussa Sougoulé, living in Calabar, rue 225, porte 11, write a letter to his nephew Amadou Silla, a future graduate from FSEG, advising him to study seriously so as to get a good job once he finishes. Writes Moussa's letter with the appropriate language. Donc ça, c'est une lettre et c'est une lettre personnelle. La lettre personnelle ou la lettre sociale ou une lettre ordinaire.